Guys, shit. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Ang lupit. And welcome to another vlog. So today is August 30, 2025. So it's a Saturday. It's currently 8:30 but kanina pa ako nandito. 8:06 nakadating na ako kasi natakot ako baka maubusan ako ng parking. Because today we are attending the Masterclass Workshop with Paolo Valenciano, Sam YG, and Nico Faustino. And it's a one-day masterclass event wherein we get to experience a full stage setup, OB-Van, participate in hands-on simulations, network with industry insiders, and then for me, ang pinaka-reason bakit talaga ako nag-sign up is because there's actually a workshop or simulation talaga with your chosen parang track. So, there's 3 tracks. You have the live stage direction, live hosting, and then live multi-camera direction. So, for me, talagang live hosting yung pinunta ko. Pero it's nice to know that there's a masterclass that offers all 3. So, actually, it's pretty exciting. Nakita ko na din yung parang outline. There's gonna be a Q&A, may panel talk. I'm really excited and I'm happy that merong ganitong workshop kasi super hirap talaga makahanap din ng workshop na related when it comes to hosting and, you know, doing live events. So, I'm so happy. Anyway, join me today. I'm so excited. I'm gonna register in a bit. Inaantay ko lang yung food ko. I ordered pasta and coffee via Grab. So, let's just wait for that. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya kapag walang laman din yung tiyan ko. Baka antokin ako mamaya. So, yeah, I'll take you guys with me all throughout this day.
As Alva said, I've been a host for going 20 years this October. So it's been a long time. I've done TV from Eat Bulaga to MTV.
Tagalog for the win.
Direct RR, this is your show na.
Smile, don't forget to smile. Enjoy.
Okay. Sige, so this is the next group.
Okay, ito. We're gonna have one more song. Diba? We'll intro their last song. Ito on the fly. Extro yourselves. So, extro yourselves. Believe you want to have a good night. Kaya? Kaya? Ad-liban nyo. Yes. Yeah, that's a good way to hear. Ang dalawa kayo, here's more. Somebody said, here's more off. Somebody said, mas sabay din. Exit? Yung off sila matas. More off. This na. Parang hindi kayo. Who will say more off?
Mina.
Here's more off.
This na.
Smoking out! Sa high tayo pumasok sa K-pop universe. ourselves. My name is Chase Orozco.
And I am RK Canlax.
And with these amazing young women, RK, wag na natin patagalin pa.
So please, let's welcome Anne, Dane, Ellen, Denise.
Here is Calista!
Make some noise! Let's go! Napakabongga naman! Bongga ka din, no?
Yes, at alam namin, excited na kayong mas makilala pa sila. So girls, please do introduce yourselves.
Call me the star. Hi, I'm Elle. Hello, everyone. I'm Denise. Hi, I'm Dane. Hi, I'm Anne, and we are Calista. Calista. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Calista?
Calista po, yung intro po namin, it's an abbreviation. Call it a star. So basically, dun po siya nanggaling and yeah.
Call it a star. So for sure, katulad namin, may mga stars din kayo na nagiging inspiration ninyo. So sino ba yung mga stars na yon para sa inyo? Let's start with you.
Siyempre po, kami, madami po talaga kami gustong i-collab and artists. Siyempre, isa doon yung SB19.
Uy, gusto ko yan. Parang maraming may excite dyan pag nagkaroon ng collab. Yes?
Miss Sarah Geronimo, the one and only, yes, pop star. Isa din po sa inspiration namin is mga K-pop.
K-pop. Grabe, P-pop and K-pop in one stage. Definitely something we can look out for. And lastly,
Yes, syempre hindi na ako lalayo sa katabi ko, si RK.
dahil may tanong si RK.
So, saan kayo pwede i-follow or mapanood?
Yes, syempre, pwede niyo po kami i-follow para makilala niyo pa kami at social media, Facebook and YouTube at Calista PH, and TikTok at Calista Music Official. Yes!
There we go. Thank you so much, Calista. And to wrap things up, syempre, kailangan natin magpaalam, RK. Once again, I am Chase Orozco.
And I'm RK Canlax, and I hope you guys had an amazing night.
Pero siguradong bitin pa kayo doon at dahil malakas kayo sa atin, here's more of Calista!
Good job. That'll make it fun. That'll make it parang barkada ko lang itong mga to. So for the audience, parang okay na, barkada kayo ah. Thank you po. Just a tip. Pero other than that, it was good. Yeah, had good timing, good execution.
Guys, shit. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Ang lupit nung masterclass, grabe. As in, I wanna thank myself at this point. Gusto kong pasalamatan yung sarili ko for going out of my comfort zone and really pushing myself na, girl, go attend this masterclass. Honestly, I had hesitations kasi of course, it's, medyo, you're gonna pay for it and it's not a cheap price, it's not just 5K, diba? Parang it's more than that. And parang you're so hesitant na, do I pay this amount? Am I really gonna learn something? And then, I saw Sam YG posting about it and then nagsunod-sunod sila Direct Nico and then Direct Pao, and I was like, freak, I feel like I'm gonna regret it if I don't attend this masterclass. And oh my gosh, I am just so happy. Sobrang nag-uumapaw yung learnings for today. We started at 10 a.m. because 9 a.m. yung registration and then a bit of like, settling down and then having our breakfast. Guys, like, buffet yung breakfast namin. It's not just morning snacks. It's a buffet. Like, complete with bread, lugaw, iced tea, coffee, chicken. Oh my gosh, ang daming ang food actually. Pero medyo masama kasi yung lagay ng tiyan ko. So, yung mga kasunod ko po sa CR, pasensya. Pero, it's not just a snack. It's really like a breakfast buffet, and then it's a buffet din nung lunch. Even nung hapon, parang yung merienda ko, hindi lang siya snack. I had like a burger, and then I had a lasagna. Bro, as in, super sulit this masterclass. As in, we need a part 2 or something. Guys, wait lang. Nag-uumapaw yung feelings ko kasi like, I learned so much, not just from Sam YG, but also from Direct Pao. I was so surprised that, well, this is the first time that I actually, you know, had an opportunity to like sit down with like Direct Pao and Direct Nico. Direct Pao is such a yapper, and I am here for it. Like, I super love it. And parang he gets, ano lang, na parang he's talking too much, but I'm like, talk more, because like, we're here for it. And then, Direct Nico also, sobrang, parang nasisepangs na ako. Parang, bakit ganito yung feelings? Parang nasisepangs ako agad. Pero hindi ko naman nakausap lahat ng tao. Pero, this masterclass was really like a masterclass. Lord, thank you for this opportunity. That's all I just want to say. And thank you for like waking me up at 5 in the morning today. Thank you to my boyfriend for waking me up at 5 in the morning today. Parang, girl, tinatamad-tamad pa ako. Sabi ko, shucks, papalate na lang ako or something. But I'm like, bro, no. Baka wala kang parking. Because like, sabi nila, okay, wait. I'm yapping too much. It's already, guys, we started at 9 a.m. Then officially started 10 a.m. And it's already 8 o'clock. And according to the program, talagang hanggang 6 lang siya. But, grabe, solid talaga. As in, thank you so much to the masterclass team. Go Live Asia, of course. We need a part 2. That's all I'm saying. We need a part 2 for this.